how to fix video upload stuck on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how you can fix if the video upload has been stuck on Instagram. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're uploading a certain video to Instagram and while on the upload process, it has gotten stuck in some process. Now in this case, the first thing you can try to check is of course your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data. But I would recommend that you just use a very strong and reliable Wi-Fi network in this case. Now after you've done that, you can simply try to force close the app. So you can close the app from the background completely and reopen it again and see if the upload resumes. If this doesn't help, then you want to make sure to cancel the upload and check the format of the video. So depending upon which video it is that you might want to upload, you just want to make sure that it supports the required resolution and that it is within 1080p or less, because if it is in 4K or more than 1080 pixels, Instagram will automatically compress, which is also going to take a lot of time, but you just want to make sure to upload around 1080 pixel of video. If that doesn't help either, now I would recommend you clear the data for Instagram app by long pressing on it. Tapping on the app info button over here on any Android device, you'll find this setting. Then you can go to storage and you can clear the cache files and clear the data, which will reset the app, by the way. And then go to your Instagram on your Play Store and check if it has an update available. And if it does, then of course make sure to update it to the latest version. And this way you can fix if the upload video is stuck on Instagram. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.